Hello guys, welcome to the 8th session of the ASP.NET Web API tutorials. In the previous session, we are retrieving the data from the database as well as inserting new and updating the existing data. In this session, we are trying to delete the existing record in the RESTful manner. For this, we need to switch to Visual Studio and create a new action for delete. Public void delete, which take only integer id as a parameter. Like the put action, in the delete action, first of all we need to retrieve the exist product and then we need to remove it from the entity. For this we need to use the using statement to create our product entity object. Product equal to entities dot products dot first or default x such that x dot product id is id that come in the parameter, and we need to remove this id from our entity object. Entity dot products dot remove and pass our product object. And we need to save our entity object by save changes function. That's it. Click on the run. Let's switch to the Postman plugin and use the delete request to deleting our marker, which id is 8, and click on the send button. You can see that it returned 204 no content. When we are trying to execute the get request, it returns the product with the given id does not exist message. It means that the our product is successfully removed from the database. You can see that. Now we need to write this code in the RESTful manner. For that, first of all we need to check whether the product is exist or not. If product equal null, then we simply need to return request dot create a response http status code dot not found with the message product with given id does not exist. Otherwise, we need to return request dot create response http status code. Okay. We need to change the return type to the http response message and click on the run. Let's switch to the Postman and execute the delete request on the 7. We can see that it returned the 200 status, and when we are again trying to fire that request, then it returned 404. Product with the given ID does not exist message. This is the first RESTful API in which we are using the get to retrieve all of the data, another get action for retrieving the specific item, post to add the our new item in the database, put method for updating the exist, and delete method for deleting. In this session we are learn how to remove the element. First of all, we need to retrieve the exist item and check whether it was exist or not. If does not exist, then we need to return the not found status. Otherwise, we need to remove it from the our entity and return the OK status. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.